Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and Vlogmas. So this is the first time of me doing Vlogmas in a year, because my YouTube channel is 1 year and some months. I think April makes it 1 year. I started 2017 and I haven't done Vlogmas before, so this is my first time of doing Vlogmas. So hopefully I can meet up the Vlogmas thing, and I'll be showing you what I'll be doing for 12 days to Christmas. But the thing is, I haven't done it before, so please show me some love, show me some encouragement. So I'm just gonna do the Vlogmas and hopefully you like it. Please, when it's up, please don't forget to watch it, don't forget to subscribe. And the thing is, I did a poll on my Insta story that do you want recipes or beauty and lifestyle, but everybody went for the recipe. Oh, why? So I'm just gonna show you what I'll be doing for Christmas. I will show you some pastries, I will show you some, you know, quick things that you could just think of on Christmas Day. So hopefully I'll be able to, you know, meet up and upload every day. I'll be doing lifestyle as well. I'll be doing lifestyle, I'll be doing beauty, I'll be doing recipes. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm just gonna alternate everything and make sure that you enjoy it, that the Vlogmas is enjoyable. I don't want it to be boring. I want your feedback so I'll know maybe I should continue or maybe I should just stop, you know. I want your opinion. So the thing is, for this Christmas, I'm not sure I'm gonna buy Christmas tree. Do you know why? I've got something quite different from Christmas tree. It's a tree as well, but I just thought, let me just not go for Christmas tree this year. I don't know why, but I don't know, my spirit doesn't just allow me to buy Christmas tree. It's not as if there's no Christmas tree around for me to get. I'm not just freaked about Christmas tree this year. I don't know why. But I bought bubble, I bought some, and I'm not even just bothered to get a Christmas tree. So I won't be putting up any Christmas tree, but I'll put up a tree, but not Christmas tree, but a tree. I did my hair myself, by the way, and I didn't film it. My daughter's on as well. Maybe when I'm gonna do my daughter's on again, maybe I'll film it, but I didn't film it. I forgot to do that. You see, this Vlogmas, I'm just learning, so please bear with me. Me, she run away, run away, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last. See what I do. Mommy shaka-doo-doo-doo, mommy shaka-doo-doo-doo, mommy shaka-doo-doo-doo. You have to start with baby. Mommy shaka, baby shaka-doo, baby shaka-doo, baby shaka-doo, baby shark, mommy shaka-doo, mommy shaka-doo, mommy shaka-doo, mommy shark. Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. Grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark. Let's go. How do you do this floss? So you do this. Oh yeah. You do this. 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 Okay, like this. This. Now my hand is my back. Oh, back. Yeah. This. 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 This, 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 this,
Wait, wait. Okay, this is how you do it really fast. Should I show you how to do the hike?
I'm doing it.
Like, that's the floss.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, Ike. Show me. Oh, yeah.
This is not how I want to start.
So the thing is, when I came back from the market, I went to pick her up from school, and we just came back. So that's what we do sometimes when we come back from school. We just have to, you keep them lively. So now we're just gonna find something to eat for lunch because I haven't prepared anything. Look at the cold. Once I'm cold, it's from my nose that because my nose will be so red. So now I'm just gonna go quickly and find something to eat before I start cooking. So by tomorrow, hopefully, this video should be up. Anyways, so I'm just gonna get right into what I've been doing. I'm trying to film a recipe right now, and yeah, that's it. And thank you for watching, and catch you later. So let's go to the kitchen together and do some cooking. Bring you later. Anyway, bye guys.